For industrial and municipal wastewater treatment, the Ech2oStorm Venturi Aerator is an ideal solution for providing dissolved oxygen for wastewater treatment, preventing odor and corrosion. When compared to floating aerators, diffusers, and DAF systems, the Ech2oStorm is safer and can be easily installed and maintained on the discharge side of a Gorman-Rupp pump. The process begins when the pump provides water to the Ech2oStorm. The water is pumped through a nozzle in the Ech2oStorm, creating a pressure drop, drawing in ambient air. This process is known as the Venturi effect. The ambient air then mixes with the liquid being pumped and is discharged, oxygenating the liquid. In addition to industrial and municipal wastewater treatment, Ech2oStorm is effective for applications including fats, oil, and grease digestion, algae control, landfill leachate, and many other applications. The Ech2oStorm is available for use with a variety of Gorman-Rupp pumps.